In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to view your PLDT billing statement, step by step. First, visit PLDT online or open the app. Go to the official PLDT website or open the My PLDT Smart app on your mobile device. Step 2. Log into your account. Sign into your My Home account using your registered email and password. If you don't have one yet, create an account using your PLDT account number and phone number. Step 3. Go to Billing section. After logging in, head to the Billing or e-statement section. Step 4. View your statements. Here you can check your current bill as well as past statements up to 12 months back. Step 5. Download or print. For your convenience, you can download or print your billing statements directly from the site or app. And finally, Step 6. Pay your bill, which is optional. If you're ready to pay, use the built-in payment options in the platform or pay through trusted channels like Maya, Bayad app, or your bank's online services. Important notes: always use official PLDT websites or authorized payment partners to keep your account and data safe. And never share your login details with anyone. And that would be all for this tutorial. I'll see you on the next one.